Hey, Toby here from HealingDrummer.com. Thanks so much for checking out this video. This is my third in a series of 5 about the 5-element system from Burkina Faso that has radically changed my life. Today's video is about magic and transformation. And this is associated with the element of nature. Nature is about magic and transformation. Transformation means we don't have to incrementally move for years and years and years, just barely, and then finally maybe getting somewhere. We can transform. We can literally be one thing at one moment and shift magically into something else. We can be transformed. Have you ever had a certain point of view and then all of a sudden you got an aha? Oh my God, that changes everything. There is a great example of magic and transformation. One day it's one thing, a minute later it's something completely different. And we can do that in our own lives. By having a clear focus on what we want to create, opening ourselves to the fact that it doesn't have to happen the way we think it should or the way it always has. Forget about the how. Concentrate on the what. Okay? Forget about the how. Concentrate on the what. What is it that you want to create? All right? How are you going to let the magic in? And again, let the magic in. It wants to come. It wants to help you. A great way is to shift your rhythm. Okay? And I'm going to give you a rhythm that helps to accelerate magic and transformation. Kick back, relax, and enjoy. All right, there you have it. Magic and transformation. What is it in your life that you want to transform? Get clear of where you want to go. Let go of how you're going to get there. And let the magic flow. Have a great day today. I hope the magic comes in and moves some great things for you. See you next time.